This is so good. Ain't I right? Yeah, sure, if you say. Yeah, it's okay. Actually, I don't really like it. What? You don't? No. We love it! Wow! Well, I'm glad about that, but are you girls okay? Why is the chair so wobbly? It's because sometimes they fall off the deck. So that's why it's so wobbly. Whoa! Barbie, can you get your headpiece? Sure. I'm just gonna sit sideways. Whoa! Chelsea, how are you doing that? I don't know. Hang on by a chin. Oh. I'll catch you if you fall. Wow! I'm done anyways. Yeah, me too. Me 3. Huh? Oh! Me 4. Okay. Just get my headband on there. What do you want to do? I'm bored. I'm going to play some basketball, practicing for the game tomorrow. Okay. Barbie, want to watch me and Muggle skateboard? Here's just a question, Chelsea. Why did you want to name him Muggle? It's from Harry Potter, so what? Nothing. I'm just wondering, because that's a strange name. It means a not magical person. So you're just calling him a regular dog, not a magical one. Yeah, he is a muggle. That little muggle. Not me a bad muggle. Ooh, why don't you have any shorts on? Because I'm in my gymnastics outfit. Avi. Avi. I have gymnastics class in about 5 hours. And why are you dressed in it? I just like to be prepared. You're just like your big sister. Yeah, she is. You should be just like me, your other big sister. I have too many big sisters, I can't keep track. Well, any of my sisters are my favorite because I don't know how many sisters I have. Well, I do, but... Okay. Whoa! Oof. Muggle, you ready? You ready, boy? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Do that again, Muggle. 3, 2, 1. Oh, dang it. Muggle, that's not what I told you to do. 3, 2, 1. Good boy. Front view. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one. Watch out! Ah! I landed! Oof. Okay, I'm back up. Yeah! Oof. Now I I wish I could have my friends over, but they're both at the beach. It's not fair. Skipper, you're a genius. Huh? I think I'm going to have my friends over. Who? Amber and Nikki. Cool! Can I hang out with you too? Yeah. So what are you going to do? Play with slime? Watch spooky movies? Oh, I want to watch spooky. I want to watch spooky. Oof. Oops. Skating. Whoa! Chelsea, you don't do it like that. You're leaning too far back. This is how you do it. So what do you want to do? So you have to balance more. Girls, can you stop talking so loud? I think I'm going to call them. Okay, cool. 1 hour later. They're coming together, so they're going to arrive together. They said they'll be here by now. They should come any second. Hey, Barbie! Amber, you're here! Where's Nikki? Oh, she's just getting her keys. I'm so glad to be here. I know, right? Nikki, you coming? I'm coming. Woo. I see you straighten your hair and went for a new look. Yep. How come you didn't send a picture of yourself in the text? Oh, my mom grounded me from my phone. And how did you know that about the sleepover? Well, I got this text, so I had to text. So we were at lunch together. Remember how he asked you? Oh, yeah, I was at gymnastics practice. Well, we were at lunch together, and he texted me, so I just told her. So we decided to come together. Okay. I think I'm just gonna not wear the headband. It keeps falling off. Okay. Come on inside. Open the doors. There. Oh, thanks, Barbie. Ah! Nikki! I'm okay. I'm more worried about your toilet. The toilet's fine. It's not alive. I guess you're right. Whoa. Oh, this is cool. Ah! Oof. Oof. You want to just go up the stairs? Yeah. That seems like it's the safer way. I need to carry this because I'm going to put it in the bathroom. Okay. Just going to be a bow hanger for right now. Whoa. Ah! You little stinker? You're calling a bow a stinker? Yeah, sure. Come on, girls. Let's walk up. Ugh. Whatever. I'm just going to leave it there. Come on. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm going in the living room. Okay. Ah, her couch is always so comfy. I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay. Barbie, come on. I'm coming. It's so nice here. Thanks, Amber. What a long day. I know, right? Where are you guys gonna sleep? We don't know. I told you to bring your sleeping bags. Oh, we didn't get the text. Oh, no. Maybe we can go camping. That's a great idea, Amber. But I don't really know. Yeah. Well, what is there? Like, there's really nothing. You're right. Never mind. Why? What? I'm gonna say the bunk bed, but it's already taken. Right. We'll figure out that later. Let's just play. Or watch movies and stuff. Skipper will be joining soon. Okay. Ugh, something was blocking the door. Hey, gal pals! So, do you want to watch the scary movie that you've been wanting to watch? Of course. Huh? We did not put this on. That is weird. Oh, guys, sorry. That was the bloopers about the movie. What movie? About the movie, because remember when they're chomping on their food? Oh, yeah, and then all of a sudden this creepy guy comes out of nowhere. Yeah. So at the end they're showing bloopers, and they put it on. Like, and then during the movie shot, somebody started, like, a robot started saying the noise. Barbie, don't have it to just yourself. Oh, sorry. That's good. But here. Come on, guys, let's watch the movie. Skipper, stop smacking. Sorry, Amber. I can watch this all night. No, don't open that door. Have the popcorn? Sure. I can't watch. What's happening? Yeah, what's happening? Ooh. Boo. Ah! What's going on? Ooh. Is there a ghost? Ooh. Where's the popcorn? Go. Up and then down. How'd I do? Terrific, Chelsea. You're surely improving very well. But no one can beat that, Master. Hey, I heard the older girls are watching scary movies. Maybe we could scare them. You are a genius! Thank you very much. Ha ha ha! Oh, don't worry, we're not evil witches. Whoa! I can't watch. Hit the light, Stacy. Okay. Ah! I'm gonna hit it. I can't see anything. Why did the TV turn off all of a sudden? This is spooky. It's just like the movie. Ah, who's grabbing my legs? Boo! Pranked! Huh? What happened? Don't tell me it was the girls. Yup, those little pranksters. It's no fair that they get to have all the fun. How about we play with Barbie slime? Oh yeah, I will get the pink, you can get the blue. How will you prank her and put it all over her car? I know she's going to the mall with her friends today. Oh my goodness, you are a genius. And this one's extra slimy too. Look how gooey, ooey, pooey it is. Ew, Chelsea. Sorry. Just, it's the only word that rhymed. Oh, let's spread it. Ew, it actually looks like her car color. She's so gonna be pranked. Put it everywhere. Except the shield. Because we want to make it look like it's the car. I want to put the extra slimy one on the seats. I want to put it all over the car. I'm just going to put it on the seats. Okay, that's still a pretty good prank. I know, right? I want to make this slimier. Add water to it. Perfect. Genius. Don't worry, it will get slimier. Okay, because it is like weird right now. Ew. I'm just gonna lay in it. They're gonna be so pranked. Ooh. High five. High five. One more good one. Good one. Let's go hide. Hey girls, wanna go to the mall? Sure. Me and Skipper will stay here. Yeah, we're planning to make some slime. Okay. We're going to the mall. Oh, and if there's anything you see that I would like, can you get it for me? Of course, Nikki. Barbie, your house is so nice. Thanks, Amber. Oh, I wonder where my other slime container went. Nikki and Skipper probably ran and just got it. Okay. Probably. Knowing them. Ew, what is this? What is what? Ew! Ew!